Pause Marketing, building influencers in affiliate marketing, making money online. This channel is for training videos and sales videos. Look at the many topics available. Paws Power is dedicated to pet lovers everywhere. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with announcements and new products. Thank you. We provide apparel and accessories for most breeds of pet. Look for shoes, robes, phone wallets, jewelry, car seat covers. We also believe that a happy, healthy pet owner raises happy, loving pets. Look for health and fitness tips and information, and some DIY projects.